FM1000 Plus app on the XCN 2050 display, and I'm going to demonstrate setting up a grower farming field inside of the app. So I'm going to go over to the Open Field button on the right hand side, and I'm just going to click on that. This is just a configuration setup here, so this is just making sure that you have everything set up correctly, which we do. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And then from here I can set up a new client farming field. So I'm just going to go ahead and set up a new client. And I'll go down to New Farm. And then set up my field. And then once I have the field set up, I can select a new event if I need to. I can call this plant. And then if I had variety tracking or something like that, I could set that up down here. And that's how you create a grower farming field. Once I hit OK, it's going to bring me to the run screen. And that's pretty much it.